throw in this. Okay? I want you to find out what happens after 1 week using this tool. What happens after 1 week? You've got 2 minutes to work out the two. Question 2. Purple, the one in purple is the one that is going to win you a chocolate frog. I don't know. They're all the same, right? The data is all the same, okay? I'm not interested in the answer. I'm interested in how you work it out. Yep, I didn't fill in the table for you for question 1. You should be able to work it out yourself. I want you to work out how to work out after week 1. Okay, your states after week 1. Huh? For both of them, you need to work out what happens after week 1. Okay? Yeah? It's a brain teaser. It's a brain teaser, but I've taught you all the skills you need to know. I'm not interested in the answer. I'm interested in how you work it out. Because I've taught you everything you need to know. I'm not giving out 2 chocolate frogs, okay? Only 1 chocolate frog, just so you know.
I went back and put the link for James Friday, and I put the link to the other.
Give it a go. Yes, Jeru, yes, no. My bad. Alana, no. Doran and Kim, At least try. Okay, do not just sit there and do nothing. Sorry, do you hear me?
Yes. Going to lesson. Going to resources. There's a link to the Google Drive, and then there's just folders. It says music, exercise, values. Or I might have moved it from the lesson plan. Guys, if you looked it up before and you're unsure, just go share with me. You told me your folder, and it's like 1 folder generally, 1 folder okay. Has anyone been able to get it? Yeah? So, each file resources.
Orange description.
You wrote the second one, B,
Is this continuing from the first one?
well, that's the first one. That's the first question. Then you wrote that B, and that's what you do on the board anyway, so I did the opposite.
You can't change my structure. You have to follow that structure. Question 2. If you change the structure, of course you can get the answer, right? The whole idea is not changing the structure and get the same answer.
I know what she means, but I don't know how to do it.
You don't know how to do it? I've taught you everything. I'm trying to ask you to find S1. Okay? How do you find S1? I don't know.
Think about hair compared to the tree.
Think about it. The second question is also fine. The whole idea is you're supposed to get the same answer. Right? About how we solve it. The answer is the answer. I don't want you to rearrange it. The whole idea is you should have similar numbers.
So alright, so I've done questions.
There's no question 2 either. Question 2 is also solving for S1. We are only looking for S1, okay? We're looking for S1. How many answers? No, I gave you enough hints, okay? The orange number, the orange description should help you. Orange description should help you.
Is that what she means?
So I want you to think about how to solve it. If the matrices are presented in a different way, how would you solve the same question? I'll give you a further hint. I'm going to take away one session of music rights, okay? Taking away one session in exchange for the hint, okay? All your answers for 1 and 2 should contain these 2 numbers. Okay, because after the first state, you should get the same numbers. Otherwise, your thinking is not right, which is why I'm telling you that the orange thing gives you the hint. If you understand how to get those numbers, then you will be on the right track. 3 more minutes.
Give away the second session of music for the ends of. We all got the job. Wait, is it right?
Which one's good? The second one?
Yeah, I don't think so.
No, almost is not the same. Do you know how you get that number? What are the numbers in the intermediate step? So if that part is not right, then how can no. Right? You Second time.
So what's the values of this?
You told me then confusing me.
But you could be further ahead right now. So you don't know.
That's all we can.
No, we put very hard to so it's basically got to make hard for this.
You can't rearrange the thing, right? You can rearrange anything with the second use this form. Okay? 1 more minute. Shall I take away the other session of music, right, and give you a further hint? Further hint?
It's not really. Yeah, man, it's really Xbox
About it myself. Did I do it correctly?
No. Because the from doesn't equal 100%.
I have the numbers wrong. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, seriously?
The amount from
Does that mean I got it right?
0.2.
Wow.
Surely.
Wow.
0.1.
Oh my god, now, miss.
Yeah, you owe us something.
Oh, okay, like
music.
3 more minutes.
What? Are you?
I'm not kidding you. Okay?
What are you
3 more minutes. No, I didn't. Guys, wrong. And then the first thing you should have checked would be, does the column, does the row add up to 100? 1. Okay? Thank you, Michaela. Good. Why took this long? The first thing you check is if it makes sense.
I didn't want to second
Yeah.
guess you.
You should.
But always second guess her. She's always wrong.
You should. Okay? Learn from that. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, in fact.
I don't want to.
Got it.
There's the green one, yeah? 1 more minute. That's all 1. That's all number 1. For the green one. But you need to show your working out because you're not interested in whether you can figure out what is correct or wrong. So that part is good, yeah? Okay? Exactly, okay? So, almost? Okay, now, question 2 is important. Alright, listening please. Question 2 is important, okay? 3. When I say listening, please, you go and choose to plug in things seriously. Question 2 is important because there are 2 things, well, 2 important things. The first one is, remember I said that it has to be matrix multiplication is not commutative, right? So I understand that because you're seeing things that's in columns, then you think that, okay, it's 2 by 2. If I have another column here, 50, 40, it will work out. You can still multiply things out, right? But does it give you the correct answers? Harry, I need you to listen here. Headphones off. Now, if I put it here and I do